What up guys, Kristen here from Be My Travel Muse. So I'm about to start the Laguna 69 trek here. It's a day trek that goes up to 4,700 meters and I'm breathing heavy just talking to you. I'm doing this to train for Santa Cruz trek, which I begin tomorrow. So fingers crossed today goes well because that will give me confidence for tomorrow. Let's get started. Already so pretty. Got a glacier view like from the very beginning. I can definitely feel that the air is thin up here, like I keep saying in all the Peru videos, because it is a factor. When you're hiking in Peru, you're probably going to be pretty high up. So this is my third day at elevation. We top out at 4,700. That's what I'm on my way to. So it's a bit of a climb that I have ahead of me, and I'm at the back of the pack because I'm always taking photos and videos, but I kind of don't mind when everyone's far ahead of me because then it feels a little bit like I'm by myself, because this is probably the most popular trek here and I came with a group because otherwise transport is really difficult for this hike. So it was only 40 soles, you can get it for 35 I found out, and that's pretty cheap. So I'm gonna continue on my way here so as not to be the last person. Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. You look so salty. Wow, I just gotta say it's a really beautiful trail. I'm surrounded by glaciers. There's a glacier. There's a glacier. There's a glacier. It's really cool. So you can kind of see now the valley that I walked through to get here, and I think the end is near. I think it's right there. So time to power through. It definitely helps to just go slowly and not stop too much. So no more filming till I get to the top. Man, I really false summited here. I thought that this was the top. Word on the street is it's not, and there's still another hour to go. I was thinking it was too easy. Do not just get one lake with this hike. Oh no. It is a fantastic value. You get many lagunas. Of course, the best one is at the top. This one, I feel bad for saying this, but it really lives in the shadow of Laguna 69, which is just a much brighter blue color. It's gotta be tough. This is insanely beautiful. I am like blown away. I feel like every glacial lake is stunning in color and they all are unique as well. There were some in Patagonia that were like green or like really deep blue, and then this one is its own animal altogether, and I'm like super winded talking to you because I think we're at almost 4,800 meters here, which is well over 12,000 feet. I'm pretty sure it's closer to maybe 15,000. So I did this so I could train for the Santa Cruz trek, which is just as high, but I'm going to be doing it with weight. And I'm not going to lie, this was not easy today. And all I had was this little bag. My expectations of me running up and down the mountain super quickly are managed, but I am really glad I did this today. So I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. I'm waking up at like 4:30 a.m. and then go solo and independently hike Santa Cruz. So just heading back down now. That's a wrap on a freaking fantastic hike. I definitely recommend this if you're in the area. Acclimate first for sure. It's really high up and you can tell I'm winded just talking to you now, but this glacier is massive. I'm just like cannot believe it. And I mean, I've seen some glaciers here and there in Patagonia and in Kyrgyzstan and Alaska, but This is just so major and massive. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for new videos every Wednesday. Next, we're hiking Santa Cruz solo and independently. See you guys soon. Bye.